As we cast our gaze towards the evolving landscape of Lithuania's job market in 2024, it becomes clear that this Baltic gem is undergoing a transformative phase, marked by innovation, growth, and an increasing appeal to the global workforce. Today, we delve into an in-depth analysis of Lithuania's job market, exploring the sector's driving growth, the demand for skilled professionals, and the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead for those looking to carve out a career in this dynamic country. Lithuania, once known primarily for its picturesque landscapes and rich cultural heritage, has rapidly emerged as a hub for technological innovation and entrepreneurship. The country's capital, Vilnius, along with other major cities like Kaunas and Klaipėda, has seen a significant influx of international companies and startups, drawn by Lithuania's highly educated workforce, competitive cost of doing business, and supportive government policies. The technology sector, in particular, has experienced robust growth, with Lithuania being home to a burgeoning fintech scene. According to Invest Lithuania, the country is now considered one of the fastest-growing fintech hubs in Europe, with over 200 fintech companies operating within its borders. This growth is supported by Lithuania's progressive regulatory environment, which has attracted companies like Revolut and TransferGo, creating a demand for professionals skilled in software development, cybersecurity, and financial analysis. Another sector witnessing substantial growth is the life sciences. Lithuania's life sciences industry has been growing at an annual rate of around 20% over the past 5 years, as reported by Enterprise Lithuania. This boom is fueled by significant investments in research and development and a strong educational focus on biotechnology and pharmaceuticals, offering ample opportunities for scientists, researchers, and healthcare professionals. The manufacturing sector, traditionally strong in Lithuania, continues to evolve, integrating advanced manufacturing techniques and focusing on high-value products. With a well-established network of industrial parks and free economic zones, Lithuania attracts foreign investment in electronics, automotive parts, and machinery manufacturing. Skilled engineers, technicians, and production managers are in high demand as companies seek to innovate and expand their operations. However, the rapid growth of these sectors presents its own set of challenges. The demand for skilled professionals outstrips supply in certain areas, leading to a competitive job market and upward pressure on wages. According to the Lithuanian Department of Statistics, the average monthly salary has been steadily increasing, reflecting the growing demand for talent. This trend underscores the importance of continuous skill development and specialization for job seekers looking to thrive in Lithuania's job market. The Lithuanian government has recognized the need to attract and retain talent, implementing policies aimed at easing the process for foreign professionals to relocate and work in Lithuania. Initiatives such as the Blue Card, designed for highly skilled non-EU professionals, and streamlined visa processes for tech workers, highlight Lithuania's commitment to fostering a diverse and skilled workforce. In conclusion, Lithuania's job market in 2024 presents a landscape of opportunity, particularly for those in the technology, life sciences, and manufacturing sectors. The country's transition to a knowledge-based economy, coupled with its strategic location in Europe, makes it an attractive destination for professionals seeking growth and innovation. However, success in this market requires not only technical skills, but also adaptability and a willingness to engage with Lithuania's culture and business environment. For those ready to embrace these challenges, Lithuania offers a promising path to professional development and personal fulfillment.